Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a subscription box opening that I'm kind of excited about. This is one that it's my newest subscription. I actually purchased something from their shop. I really liked what I saw, and so I went ahead and ordered, and I've got the Eyescream Beauty. I have the box and the bag, and this time the bag is even bigger than the box. If you're unfamiliar with Eyescream Beauty, the bag, you get 3 items. You always get a palette and then 2 other, usually makeup items. They're really heavy on the makeup. Every once in a while you'll get a serum or something like that, but it's usually just all makeup. So I'm curious to see why this bag is so big compared to the box. Now the box, well, I'll get to the box in a minute after I this. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is, I've got a couple of things, and usually they count these as one. Even you get 3 things in your bag, but sometimes it can be up to 5 or 7 because they'll give you multiples of certain things. These right here are, I'm gonna need my glasses. So they didn't have this spoiler on this website yet, so these are both setting sprays. One's a cucumber and one's a rose. So they're really cute containers, really pretty. So shall we smell them? I don't know. I think that's, oh no, I can do that. So this is the rose. It definitely smells like rose. It's not bad. I'm not a big rose smelling fan. I like it in some perfumes, but not always alone. But actually this isn't bad, so I would definitely use it. It's got a really fine spray too, which I like. So in my mind, that's a quality setting spray when the spray is really fine. Now here's the cucumber, and okay, that one's just real light. I'm not sure I'm getting cucumber, but maybe it is. But anyway, these are fun, and I like the size of them. So you can take them when you travel. You don't have to put a big bottle in. You got those. Okay, let's see what we're gonna pull out next. Okay, something big. Whoa. This is 4 items. Yeah, this is, let's see here. This is the Lip Luster Super Gloss Quad. It's from Bella Pierre, which has decent products. I love the 4 colors. It looks like it has a couple of kind of metallic shades and then a couple of normal shades. So that's, let's see if we can, I'm just gonna open one up. This one looks like my kind of shade. I'll try it. Uh-oh. It's kind of broken. Let me see. Maybe they're made cheap. There, it went back in. So that's what it looks like, and I like the color. So that color is me. In fact, I just noticed I didn't put lippy on today. So I had a lip plumper on, but so I'm just gonna try it right now. What do you think? Okay, so that's fun. That's a fun product. And the last thing, of course, is the eyeshadow palette. I don't no idea what it looks like. It's called the Kevin and Coco 11 color eyeshadow palette. And okay. High pigmentation, easy to blend. Oh, it's different. Okay. Looks like the constellation almost. It's real different. You got your middle, which is kind of a green. Here, I'm gonna swatch that. This is the green. Let's swatch. This one is a metallic. That's that. And let's swatch this color over here. Ooh, that's metallic too. I like that. And let's go for a green, just a basic green one here, next to the other green. So you got green, like a turquoisey color, and the metallic golden brown. So that's fun. So these three things I got for $13. In my opinion, that's a great value. I got 4 lip glosses, or they call them glosses, lip stains, the eyeshadow palette, that, and the 2 setting sprays for $13. So run and grab the next one. So I think sometimes these sell out. So anyway, I'm excited to have this new subscription. Okay, now we're going to open the ice cream box. Now the box has 5 items in it. It also always has a palette. They usually let you pick your palette out of a couple of choices, and then it'll have 4 other beauty products of some kind, makeup, whatever. So this is what you see when you open it up. It comes packed with all these little noodle things, which hopefully help keep the makeup safe. Comes with a card, and the card that tells about what's in the bag. So I'm gonna pull out what I see first here, and this is kind of exciting. I actually have heard about this, and I'm real curious. This is a blush. Now it looks like a real rose here. I'm excited to open it up and see what it's all about. So it's a rose blush, and I'm opening it up here. Okay, so still looks like a rose. Okay.
I'm not sure I understand.
Let's see here. My watch is talking to me, by the way, if you heard that. Who would have thought, like 20 years ago, that we'd be talking to our watch? You know, technology is amazing. Okay, I have too much. I have the eyeshadow on my hand, so it's not working. Definitely getting red. Look at that. So let me see if I have room here. Ooh, it's real bright, but it looks blendable. So, ooh, I kind of like it. You can definitely blend it. I went in real hard on it, so I'm sure you could get it lighter, but that's just so cool. It's just a rose. It's like a real rose, and it has color on it. In fact, you can see the color on the lid. There's a little bit of color that went on the lid. So, very fun product. Very new and fun. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is a liquid eye. Let me see here. It is Let's see what it's called. Chantico Beauty Shimmer Duochrome Liquid Eyeshadow. I've got pink all over this box. that rose is powerful. Didn't expect it to be that powerful, actually. Okay, so, oh, it's kind of a fun little, it's like a little cool thing. Okay, let's open it up and see what it's about. It's very clear. It just looks iridescent. See that right there? That's what it looks like. I'm sure it's buildable. So, that's fun. Being it iridescent, I see purple, pink, different colors. So that's that. The next thing I'm pulling out here is, this is BFC Beauty Pop Certain. No, Beauty for Certain. Sorry, for certain. I don't know. I'm bad at, my eyes are bad. So, okay, this is a real fun shimmery color. And I believe this is a lip gloss. It's got the doe foot. I got a fun hand going on here. So we got this right here. So that's that. Put it right over the other. Okay, so that's fun. The next thing I have here is a lip pencil, and it's in a color that I really like. I like that tip. Look at that. That looks really good. So this lip pencil, let me see who it's from. Bel Air Lip Liner by Gerard Cosmetics. It's valued at $16. The High Pigment Gloss by Beauty for Certain is $22. The 3D Rose Blusher by Swarovski US is valued at $30. And the eyeshadow right here, Duochrome eyeshadow, is valued at $19. And I'm gonna do I have any room here? There's the lip liner. There, right there's the lip liner. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. That'll match some of my lipsticks I've got by, oh, that's really good. Okay, so the last thing I have in here is an eyeshadow, and when I picked the eyeshadow, I went for adventurous because I want to be adventurous, but now I kind of wish I would have picked the other eyeshadow. It had some colors that I'd like to try. It had more neutrals, but it had some greens and stuff. This is Virtual Cosmetic, let's see, it's Gourmande Girls X Cosmetic Peaches Power or Virtual Palette. And this is an ice cream exclusive, and that's valued at can't see it. Let's see. Valued at $33. So that's what it looks like. Like I said, it's, I don't know if you can get that with the glare. Bright colors. I'm not sure I'll use it. I don't know. I want to be adventurous, but anytime I try, I don't like the look. So we'll see, but that's fun. So we got the virtual eye palette. We got the lip gloss, which is a really fun color. We got the eyeshadow iridescent glow. We got the lip liner, and we got the fun blush. So yay, yay. Okay, so that's it for this box. What do you think? Do you like the box or the bag better? Now the box is, I think the box is $25. I said the bag was $13, but you can get a discount. I'll put a code down below so you can get a discount on your first box. Also, they offer, or at least for me, they offered a discount if you purchase, you know, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, you get discounts. So that's a good way to go too. If you know, I think you can always cancel, but anyway, so you can get it cheaper than the $25. I can't remember what mine ended up being, but it was less than that. So anyway, this was fun. So go check out Eyescream Beauty, and I've got a lot more to film. I've got so many, I've got ones waiting to come out and ones waiting to be filmed, so you'll be seeing a lot of me in the next month here. So thank you for coming and checking out what I have. Fun hand, huh? Anyway, we'll see you later. See you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.